me stalking the FedEx guy all day today.
I was just about to run out to the grocery store to grab some stuff. I've been tracking my FedEx package all day, and the FedEx truck is on my street, so I'm gonna go ask him and see if he's got my iPhone. There she is. Ooh. I am honestly like way too excited for my new iPhone. I have to, like, must go to the store. We have literally no toilet paper at home. Just got back from a long trip. So pardon me 1 second while I go make a quick grocery stop and then throw some makeup on. We're gonna do this unboxing. All right, but here we are. This is the packaging of the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's a lot slimmer than they have been in years past. I'm guessing because you don't get a brick anymore. Good old Apple for making us buy more shit, right? So excited to get into this. I've got my old iPhone 11 Pro Max right here. I'm going to be trading this one in. So after I get everything transferred over, I'm going to have to wipe this one so I can prepare it to send back to AT&T. The one thing that I'm really scared of, because I wasn't expecting this to come so quickly, is Velvet Caviar is sending me a new case for this phone, but I haven't heard like any tracking information from them when the case is going to get here. And so I like sort of assumed my case would get here before my phone, and that has been the opposite. So this is like a current case that I have from Velvet Caviar, which they have make some really cute cases, very durable as well. They also make like these really cute little ring things. You can see this one's like a pink sparkly heart, just to show you all, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to show in this video what my case looks like, but it's going to be like a see-through case with lips all over it and then a little lip ring mechanism thing, right? Let's just stop talking and get into the unboxing of this, because I know that's what you came to see. Let's unbox her. All right, so it has these little like cool tab thingies. Oof. Oh my God. So here is the phone. I just want to compare it to my 11 just to show you the difference. Right off the bat, the freaking camera lenses are just like way bigger. Like, look at the difference in the size, first of all. Like, size-wise, I feel like it's pretty comparable. You can tell that the iPhone 13 Pro Max is slightly, ever so slightly bigger in size than the 11 Pro Max. I also feel like the color of the gold, I got the gold, my husband really was trying to get me to get the light blue color. I thought about it for a long time, and I was just like, you know what, I'm a gold girl. I was really, really upset that they did the like millennial pink iPhone in the like lower end of the iPhones. I've always gotten the Pro phones ever since they came out with the Pro phones. It's all about the cameras for me as a content creator. That's really the main reason why I ever upgrade my phone, is to get that better camera, to get all the cool new features that the cameras have. So for me, I always get the Pro Max. And so I didn't have pink as an option for me. I just decided to just keep it with gold, because I feel like gold ends up looking the best with a lot of the cases that I get, because I like to get the ones that are like kind of transparent, that sort of show off the beauty of the phone design itself, but also have a little bit of fun with the case. So this just seemed like the best option. And I have to say, it looks kind of like whitish. I feel like the lighting in here is kind of cool toned, but if you would see this in person, you'd see that it's very, very pale on the back, and then the edges are super gold, and the back is I guess it does kind of look more gold right there in the light, the way that the light hits off of it. But in certain ways, certain angles, it just looks pretty white. But that is the gold, and the edges are just so gold. I'm so excited to have the phone be flat around the edges again, just because I feel like in your hands, it feels so much easier to hold on to. Not that I ever really handle my phones without cases on them, because I'm very clumsy. So I put screen protectors and cases on them right off the bat, except for in this case, my screen protector is not coming till tomorrow. And my case, like I said, I have no idea when it's coming. So I'm going to have to be very, very careful with it until I get it. But it feels so much easier to just grip in your hands. Yeah, anyway, let's continue. I'm just so excited. This part is always super satisfying. Peel this off. Look at that beautiful screen. Wow, I wonder if my screen protector for this phone would work for it just in the interim, just to keep it more safe. Because I know myself, I get so scared. Let's try it. Yeah, that's nowhere near big enough. Okay, I'm just gonna have to be so gentle with this, at least until tomorrow. I have a screen protector coming that is also coming with a protector for the camera lenses, because I don't know if you can see how much they really stick out from the profile of the phone. Whereas these, like, I always thought that they really did as well, but they definitely don't stick out quite as much. These are definitely a lot more pronounced, and I have to make sure that those stay good, because that is the whole reason why I got this in the first place, right? It comes with a charging cord with no brick. Luckily, I have the brick. I'm not good with the Apple terms, but it's like the bigger, thicker brick that they came out with recently. I have that one. I think from my AirPod Pros came with it, so I have that, which is great. It definitely charges things super fast, but it's always good to have another one of these cords. And then also, you know, their little typical designed by Apple in California booklet that has, oh yeah, the little SIM card tool. I'm going to have to do that in a second. Also, the little sticker they always come with, and all of this fun information about your iPhone that I really honestly never bothered to read, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna put that back. Just go ahead and turn it on. Hello? There's nothing like a beautiful, pristine, brand new iPhone. You really can see, like, it has like a really big, oh, that's so cool. It's gonna say hello in some different languages here. Bonjour, that's the one I was waiting for. I'm not gonna lie. So now that we have done that, I'm just gonna swipe to open, pick a language. That's gonna be English, United States. Click start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. Okay, so I definitely went through the process a little bit earlier today when I knew my phone was coming to back up my phone, so I had the most recent backup possible. And then I'm getting a little notification on this phone basically saying, set up your new iPhone. This will transfer your current settings. Unlock to continue. I'm just going to hit continue. And it does this little thing where it says, hold your new iPhone up to the camera. So I'm going to do that. Bam. Enter passcode of my other phone. And it's setting it up. It says keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while your information is transferred. So this new phone says it may take a few minutes to activate your new phone. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The cameras are so big, I cannot get over it. Face ID. How to set up Face ID. You basically have to like show your face at all the different angles so that it can unlock your phone easily no matter how your face is really positioned. So I'm gonna hit get started. It's making a weird noise. First scan complete, we gotta do it again. I don't remember it making that fun noise last time. For your data, it says you can either download from iCloud and you can start using in about 15 minutes. Your data will download later over Wi-Fi, or you can transfer from iPhone. You can transfer directly, so this iPhone will be ready with your data when you finish setting up. Time to transfer is about 1 hour and 45 minutes. I think I'm going to go with download from iCloud because it's only 15 minutes, and that seems to be the best way to go. Terms and conditions, agree. I never read that. Now, an option it says, make this your new iPhone. Everything you had set up as you had on the other iPhone. So just going to hit continue. It already has all of my Apple Pay. That was from my previous wallet in there. So I'm just going to hit continue. So many terms and conditions. Basically doing its own little backup. Even though I backed it up earlier, I think it's just doing that for safety, just to make sure. Using Apple Pay. Okay, Apple Pay I think works the same way as it always has, which is double click the side button. Got it. For Miss More Style to complete backup. I named my phone Miss More Style because I feel like when I'm at events, people are taking photos and stuff, and you want photos that someone else has taken, and people are airdropping and stuff like that. I feel like it just makes it easier when you're like Miss More Style, because that's what a lot of people know you as. So yeah. Time remaining, estimating Not really sure how long this is going to take. So I think I'm gonna go make myself some coffee and I will be back. All right, so it was about 15 minutes. I got up and made myself some coffee and I finally got a little update on my phone. Now it says it's about 34 minutes left remaining. So I'll just be here waiting, I guess. So we're looking at what looks like my phone on this phone. I'm gonna swipe to open and it's doing the lovely thing where it's downloading every single one of my apps at the same time. I love it. Oh my god, all my other Apple devices are like, oh my god, a new device is using your shit. Now I feel like I have to do the thing with the SIM card and that really makes me feel some type of way because I'm never very good at this. But let's see, I like even just using the phone, like everything is so much like faster. I can already tell like the responsiveness of this phone is really, really fast. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video on how to remove the SIM card.
And remove your SIM card from your iPhone 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. Let's get started. Now this process is very simple.
Okay, I feel like this video that I watched just made that seem like way too easy, and I just feel like this part gives me such anxiety because I don't want to hurt the phone. So I feel like I'm too sweaty for this process. Sweaty little fingers can't manipulate this properly. Oh, I think I did it. Ah! And now this should be my functioning iPhone. Watch wants to pair with the new phone. So that's what's happening now. Now we're just downloading all the messages from iCloud. That could take a while. And it's loading all of my apps. Remember, this always takes so long to do. But one thing that I really want to do now, because I know for me personally, the draw of getting the new phone is always the camera. If you have like the 11 Pro Max, which I do, this is definitely going to be a difference in camera quality. If you have the 12, maybe not as much. You don't get to have that cinematic mode in video, which is what I am so stoked for. The fact that it's basically portrait mode for video. I like the video capability on this is just going to be so powerful. So I'm going to go on a little walk around my neighborhood. Hopefully if you have like, you know, around this age of a phone, it might help you decide whether or not it's a big enough difference for you to upgrade or not. Go take a little walk outside and snap some stuff for you. All right, so the thing that's really nuts about this is the cinematic mode works on the front-facing camera. So theoretically, I could just vlog like this and have that really nice blurry background. I mean, this is game-changing. Oh my god! Like literally, I can't even believe it. Now, let me see if I go in front of this flower, if it will focus on the flower. Focus on me. That's pretty freaking cool, guys. Honestly, just having the cinematic mode, I think, is gonna make this phone just like so much more valuable to me personally as a content creator, especially the front-facing cinematic mode. I just bought a new Sony, and am I gonna use it anymore? Am I? Am I though? Am I? I'm freaking out. This is the coolest thing ever. Well, I am back from my walk, just getting dinner started, but I just wanted to come wrap up this video. Suffice it to say, I'm obsessed with the new iPhone 13 Pro Max. As a content creator, as someone who takes a lot of video and a lot of photos, I'm really impressed with the camera. I feel like the camera overall, picture-wise, the images are a lot more crisp, they're a lot more detailed. I can't wait to use it in like more low light situations. I feel like especially for the video, oh my god, I'm like speechless at how good this cinematic mode works. Right now, I'm currently filming on my iPhone 13 Pro Max in cinematic mode, and it's just amazing. Even the front facing version, which this is the one on the rear camera with like the better sensors, but even the front facing cinematic camera mode is just, it's a game changer. It honestly is. So I'm super stoked on this phone. I think the responsiveness of it is really fun. It definitely has a really beautiful display, so it's definitely going to be a great upgrade if you've got like maybe the 11, or if you've got a phone model older than that. With the 12, I'm not really sure. It might not feel as much of an upgrade. I know that there are ways around the fact that the 12 doesn't have cinematic mode using some third-party apps. Like I believe Filmic Pro is one that I've heard some of my friends talk about, that has like an option where you can pay like $15 in Filmic Pro to get like a cinematic mode while filming in that app. So $15 might be a great $15 well spent if you've got the 12 and all you really need is the cinematic mode, going that route instead. I don't know, maybe it's worth it to you to upgrade, but I'm so happy with this. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to create more content for you guys on this camera. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber here. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. Before you go, I've picked a couple videos for you to check out. So check out a couple more videos, hit that red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.